Hello everyone, in this video you'll see how you can use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export the cost accounts from Excel to Primavera. This will be the video number 16 in this group of videos, and we will use the SQLite database. You can also use Oracle database or SQL server when you select any of them. Let us start with our database and let us import the cost accounts from dictionary. Open the cost accounts and let us import the cost accounts in this database. As you see, we have no cost accounts in this database, but we have the table that we should fill in to export the cost accounts to Primavera. Let us go to Primavera to check these results. From Enterprise, open the cost accounts. As you see, we have no cost accounts in this database. We will prepare some cost accounts and export them to Primavera. If we have prepared cost accounts, a very simple cost accounts like this table. As you see here in the table, the most important two columns that we should fill in to export the cost accounts is the cost account name and the cost account ID. The cost account ID will be prepared as a diagram at the end of the table, and from the third row you will start the diagram from the third row. As you know, the simple diagram looks like a list. Let us try to copy the cost accounts names, and we will put them here under this column, and then the cost account ID copy, and we will paste them here at the third row after the end of the table, and the cost account ID in the table will be filled by the SDK Magic Tool from the diagram. We can now export these cost accounts to Primavera. From the export section, search for the cost accounts. These are the cost accounts, and export them to Primavera. Now we have these cost accounts in Primavera. It's very fast and also very accurate. Let us import these cost accounts. As you see, we have now these cost accounts in Primavera, and the first column has the numbers that have been set by the SDK Magic Tool in the database. When we go to Primavera to check these results, let us first refresh data to get these updates. And now we will open the cost accounts. As you see, let us change the filter. Now we have the cost accounts in Primavera. As you see, this is the cost account ID, and this is the cost account name. Let us modify this cost accounts table and make it like a hierarchy. For example, this is the main cost account, and these are subordinates under this cost accounts. And for the project number 2, let us also move these cost accounts to looks like a hierarchy, and for project number 3, and now for project number 4 the same. Let us move these cost accounts, and for project number 5 it looks like better than a list. Now we have a hierarchy. Let us export these updates to Primavera. Now we have these updates have been done. Let us import again. As you see, all of these modifications have been done, and we have now a hierarchy for the cost accounts. It's very flexible to use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare the cost accounts and all similar items. Let us go to Primavera to check these updates from refresh data, then enterprise and go to cost accounts. Now we have the cost accounts like a hierarchy, as you see, project number 1 and all of its subcodes and so on. Okay, we can also remove or delete any of these sub accounts. Only all we need is to change this N to Y to remove all of cost accounts under B6. Let us export these changes to Primavera. Okay, let us import the new updates. As you see, we have only now 5 projects and number 6 has been removed. Let us go to Primavera, refresh data and open the cost accounts. Now we have only 5 projects and number 6 has been removed. It's very flexible to use the SDK Magic Tool to prepare and export all items from Excel to Primavera. Thank you and goodbye.